Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that many of you have requested: 5 food to eat to quickly gain weight and build muscle. Whether you are a hard gainer looking to bulk up or simply want to add lean muscles, these foods can help you on your journey. So, let's get started. Food number 1: lean protein. Our first muscle building food is lean protein, and one of the best sources is skinless, boneless chicken breast. It's packed with high quality protein, low in fat, and versatile for various recipes. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. Food number 2: complex carbohydrates, sweet potatoes. Next up, we have complex carbohydrates, and sweet potatoes are a fantastic choice. They provide a steady source of energy and are rich in vitamins and minerals, including potassium and fiber, to support muscle function and recovery. Food number 3: healthy fats, avocado. Don't forget about healthy fats. Avocado is powerhouse food that's not only delicious but also packed with healthy monounsaturated fats. That fats are essential for hormones production and overall health. Food number 4: healthy calories nut butter, almond butter. To add some extra calories and healthy fat to your diet, almond butter is great option. Spread it on whole grain toast, add it to smoothies, or simply enjoy it by the spoonful. It's an excellent source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Food number 5: dairy or plant based protein, Greek yogurt. Last but not least, we have Greek yogurt. Whether you choose dairy or plant based alternative, Greek yogurt is loaded with protein and probiotic that aid in digestion and muscle recovery. So there you have it, my top 5 food to help you quickly gain weight and build muscle. Remember, nutrition play a critical role in your fitness journey. So make these foods a part of your balanced diet. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow fitness enthusiasts. And as always, stay dedicated to your goals, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next video.